Alrighty, now I'm going to move on to the next portion of the video, which is installation and maintenance. So this video, or this portion of the video, is going to assume that you have a Jira account and are signed into the system with your professor, who I'm assuming is Masoud Sadjadi. He has a video which will get you started using SourceTree, which is somewhat of an extension of Bitbucket, which is connected to Jira. Again, assuming you have Masoud Sadjadi, he would get you set up with this. He actually does have a video teaching you how to do it, just in case he hasn't sent it already. I can also put that link in the description below. But just to get back to where we are right now, Bitbucket and SourceTree is a little bit similar to how GitHub and GitHub Desktop works. Yeah, let's begin. So let's say you're on Bitbucket and are in the you're in the Forex data folder for the team project, and you want to make changes to the EA Smartass trader. So first, you're going to have to find the existing branch for the EA Smartass. So we're going to go to branches, EA Smartass, and click that. Double click. Now that we're here, click source, MQ04, experts, F4 Smartass, and it's right here. And once you're here, we're going to go to clone, and then click clone in SourceTree. Yes, we're going to open SourceTree. Just give it a minute. It'll pop up. Maybe it's here already. No, not yet. Okay. Now that we're here, so we're going to now clone or create a folder in which we want to clone clone the repository. I already made mine, and it's called repo. So let me just, for the sake of this, just select the folder, and it should pop up here, and it has all this. And at this point, you'd click clone. I'm not going to do that because I already cloned it, so I'll just close the tab. But assuming you did clone with your own folder, you'll end up here, right? And you're going to start off right here. It'll just say master, but we're not in the master branch. It's going to say EA Smartass is non-existent here. But now that we're here, you're going to find EA Smartass and check it out. And then EA Smartass will pop up. And yeah, so now that we're here, any changes that you make to EA Smartass, which will be inside your, it will be inside your folder. Again, mine is repo. You can come here, look at all this, experts, effort, Smartass, Smartass trade. And let's say I just made a space right there. I press save. We go back here. So we made a change, and look at that. We now have a change right here. SourceTree has acknowledged the fact that you changed a file inside the remote repository, or your local repository, which is connected to Bitbucket with your folder. And at this point, you have the option to select whatever change you did and click this add symbol. And this is where your change is. This is a staged file that has been changed. And now that it's here, we're going to type a summary. Created a space in the Smartass trader file. And once that happens, you'd click commit. But again, I'm gonna not do that because I don't want to add a space in my file. If you'd like, you can do that. Yes, I want to discard that change. But anyways, yeah. So this essentially allows you, or this video tutorial portion will allow you to clone the repository, download all the files related to the EA, which is EA Smartass, make changes, and then commit them to the project. So yeah, that is this section right here.